Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. Now in this video, we shall be looking at this project that caught my attention, and the name of the project is called Cairo Finance. Okay, now Cairo Finance is a deflationary all-in-one DeFi platform that offers a whole lot of services ranging from staking, NFT, casino, gaming, and all that. But in today's video, we're going to be paying more attention to the staking side of Cairo Finance. Okay, so if you come up here and you click on this end here, you're going to see farm ports, are going to see staking. Okay, we are going to be paying more attention to these farm ports of the staking side of Cairo Finance. Okay, you might want to ask me, how much are you going to be earning on Cairo Finance? Now on Cairo Finance, you are expected to earn up to 1% daily of your total investment on Cairo Finance. Okay, Cairo Finance also has a coin that is called CAF. Now, you will be staking on this platform with the coin of Cairo Finance that is called CAF. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to purchase the coin, how you're going to be staking the coin and all that, okay? But one thing I'm going to be showing you about this project that actually impressed me about the project is the auditing of this project, okay? But before that, let's look at the mission. You can say the mission is simple and powerful, community-driven finance for the entire globe, okay? You say regardless of whether the market rises or falls, Cairo offer profit-efficient products in every market situation. Cairo Finance always offer the latest products for capital growth that the crypto market offers, okay? And you can see, of course, it's a decentralized project, okay? So what we're going to be doing is this. Before we go further on this project, I want us to look at the auditing of this project. Why the auditing first? Because we've seen in the past a whole lot of projects just come up within 1, 2, 3 weeks, they rock pull, and people lost a whole lot of money in this kind of a project. So personally, I decided to look into auditing of projects, okay, to make sure the project is fit of me putting my cents into the project before I do that, okay? For Cairo Finance, the contract is actually immutable, okay? So once the project is deployed, the owner or the developer cannot mute the contract any longer. So the project, the developer does not have full control over the project any longer. So all that I'll be showing you in the course of this project. So for you to actually see the auditing of this project, you can scroll down towards the end of the website and you're going to see documentation. When you click on this documentation, it's going to take you here where you are able to see everything about the project, okay? The introduction, the technomics, the free structure, everything you need to know, the farm port, which is the very one that we are paying more attention to today, okay? So let's quickly look at the auditing. Like I rightly said, the project is actually audited by 3 auditing firms, okay? So you can see Paladin Audit, Solidity Finance, and the stamp. Now I'm going to be paying, because of time, I'll not be able to look at the 3 audits, but I'm going to be paying attention to this, the stamp, because in the previous, in the past, I've seen a whole lot of projects that they audited and the audit actually came out fine, okay? So we're going to be looking at the stamp. So let's click on the stamp and go to their website and see the auditing of Cairo Finance. So coming here now, this is the website of the stamp, okay? As you can see, Ferro Farm Port Cairo Finance, okay? So it's audited by the stamp. Now let's scroll down and look here. The overall score given to this project is 96/100. Now, the higher the number, the better it is for. So the stamp is giving them 96/100. Let's look at the summary. This smart contract has been examined and reviewed by the stamp. We found no backdoor, no vulnerability in this smart contract. It says this is a return on investment type of decentralized application where users take and lock CAF, Cairo Finance token, once and receive daily interest. A complex referral system is featured to increase daily interest up to 7 upline referrals, okay? Fees always remain in the contract, therefore the deployer team does not receive fees. Wow. I think that's another plus on the project. The fees that people actually pay for this project actually remains in the contract. So I think that's also is going to help the contract of the project, right? So we're going to come down and read a whole lot about it. If we're going to read everything about this project, it's going to make this video to be very lengthy. So what I'll be doing is this. In the description of this video, I'm going to be dropping the link to Cairo Finance. Okay, I'm going to be dropping the link to Cairo Finance in the description of this video. So the first link you're going to see in the description of this video will be the link to Cairo Finance. You just go ahead and click on that link and it's going to bring you here to this website. Okay, so let's go back to the audit and see. So you can see it's a backdoor. We found no backdoor, no vulnerability in this smart contract. Okay, so meaning that there's no code embedded in the contract of this project that allows the owner to begin to siphon funds from the contract. Okay, because we've seen cases where the developer of projects, they put in some code that a whole lot of people cannot read, and that could actually give them access to the contract to begin to steal for the contract. And before long, the contract will be drained, and people will lose a whole lot of money. So in this particular one, the auditor said there is nothing like backdoor or any code of vulnerability in this particular contract. Okay. The owner's privilege, the smart contract has no owner privilege. Once deployed, it just works with no third-party interaction. Okay. So all these are things I think you should come down and read. Let's look at the team trust. The deployer team is known, and the project from which this smart contract is part of is part of a large Cairo Finance. Okay, so the team is also known, so they are not new guys in the DeFi space. Okay, all this I want you to read for yourself. Okay, so you try and come down there and read. So let's go back to Cairo Finance and get to see everything we need to know about it. So for you to get started with this project, first and foremost, you need to buy the coin, okay? The coin, which is called CAF. Now, where can you get this coin to buy? You're going to buy this coin from PancakeSwap. When you buy it from PancakeSwap, then you'll be able to stake it on Cairo Finance website. So you need to come up here and you're going to click on this buy CAF, okay? Now, when you click on this buy CAF, automatically it's going to take you to PancakeSwap, okay? Here on PancakeSwap, also, please remember that this Cairo Finance is on Binance Smart Chain network. Okay, so you need to have BNB in your MetaMask. Okay, this is my MetaMask here. So you make sure you have your BNB in your MetaMask, and you also have possibly you can have BUSD, but if you have just only BNB, it's still fine. You can make do with that. Okay, so now we're going to be buying CAF with our BNB here. Okay, so we're going to come down here. You see this second coin down here. You're going to click on it. Now when you click on it, you are expected to search for CAF here. Okay, you're expected to search for CAF here. Okay, you can see personally I have added CAF already. So you can see this is CAF here. So if I click on it here now, okay, when I click on it, it's going to come here. So you can see I have CAF here already now. So all I just need to do is just to put the amount of BNB that I want to buy, and I'm going to get this amount of CAF in return. Okay, so let's say I want to buy 1 BNB, which is about 302 USD. So I'm going to get 1,217 CAF. Okay, in your own case, if you want to buy 2 BNB, okay, you can see you're going to get 2,000. No matter the amount of BNB you're going to be buying, just make sure that whatever the value of the BNB you're buying is above $25. Okay, it's above $25, because I think the minimum you can actually invest in Cairo Finance Farmport is about 25 USD. So let's assume we're going to buy this amount. So we're going to put it here, and then we're going to click on this button below, and it's going to help us to convert our BNB to CAF, and automatically we're going to have it on our Cairo Finance account. Okay, so before you go to the staking side of it, just make sure that your MetaMask is connected to the project. Okay, so you can see mine here. My MetaMask is connected here. Okay, then you scroll down towards the end of the project. Okay, to the bottom of the project, you can see here. Now here is the staking platform of Cairo Finance, right? So here you're going to be putting let's say this amount of CAF that we bought, this 2,432 CAF that we bought from PancakeSwap. Here we're going to copy it. Okay, then we're going to come to Cairo Finance and we're going to put that amount here. Okay, let's assume this is the amount we have here now. Okay, then you're going to put your referral address here. Okay, you're going to put your referral address. When you put your referral address here, then you're going to click on this deposit. Now, when you click on this deposit, automatically your funds will go into action and begin to help you to earn up to 1% daily on the Cairo platform. Okay. Now you can come up and claim here. Whenever you have rewards and you feel you want to claim, you can claim here. Now, the meaning of this double up is this. Remember, this funds, your earning is going to last for 365. You're going to be earning up to 365%. Okay. Now, before when this earning ends and you want to stay on that same level of earning, you can decide to use this level up. But this is not something you can use immediately. Now, that should be towards the end of your staking. Okay. So quickly, there's a calculator here that I want us to look at. Okay. So let's assume we came in with this 2,432 here. Okay, we're going to paste it here. And you're going to calculate to know exactly how much you'll be earning every day. Okay, you put in the amount here. This is the price of CAF presently, and you're going to click on this calculate. So you can see with this amount of CAF that you have, you can see your daily CAF, you can see your daily interest in USD, right? You can see your maximum payout. You can see all the information that you need. You're going to get them here, okay? And also for the referral, you can earn up to 7 generation here in your referral, okay? It's another avenue for you to actually earn more money on CAF Finance, okay? On Cairo Finance, okay? So I believe this process is very simple and open. Now, after your staking, you're going to come up here and you're going to see the details of everything you need to know. So your deposit is going to show here. Your max payout is going to show here. Your available CAF is going to show here. Your referral reward is going to show here. Your claim CAF is going to show here. And your team, as in people you referred and everything, is going to show here. Virtually, you're going to get all the information you need about your investments here. Okay. So that's how you're going to be earning on this project. And also, if you want to see the contract of this project, you can see this is the contract of the project here. Okay, on BSC scan. So every information you need is actually in the open here. So you can see people actually depositing and claiming reward. You can see depositing, claiming reward. All the informations are here. Okay. So you can see the total supply of CAF is just 77 million here. Okay. You can see the holders here also. So every information you need is actually on this website. So like I rightly said, the link is going to be in the description. You follow that link, you come up to the website and you'll be able to see everything for yourself, okay? So I want to believe you got value from this video, okay? And also I will encourage you to actually join the Telegram channel of this project. When you come down here, you click on the Telegram, you can see their Twitter handle, their what is it called, their Instagram handle and all that here. But basically, I joined the Telegram. So I want you to join the Telegram. You click on this Telegram here, and it's going to bring you to their website here. So you can see every information you want, even the deposits that people are actually making. You can see this person just actually bought 875 worth of CAF, okay? So you can see every information you need here. I think it's even better you join the Telegram so that you get every first-hand information you need about this project. Presently, they have about over 4,000 persons in this Telegram group here, okay? That is all I think I want to show you for now. I'll be making more video concerning this project as it progresses, okay? If you've not subscribed to my channel, I will encourage you to do that so that as soon as I drop new videos about Cairo Finance, you'll get to be the first to see it, okay? And also, I want you to give this video a thumbs up, a like if you really like the review about Cairo Finance, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for taking your time to watch my video. Do take care of yourself and bye-bye.